Brass Eagle Adventure Team and the Savage Island. We now continue the adventure.
Dan, are you ready to find the rest of our gear?
Yes, let's head out.
After a short walk,
Looks like our gear made it down.
Yeah, just barely. Darren, this island is spooky.
Yeah, it is.
Darren, I'm going to set up our base camp here.
Sounds good to me.
several minutes later,
Give me a few minutes to acquire a satellite signal. Okay, we are ready to transmit. Stand by.
now a few words from Matt.
We have reached the end of Savage Island. This was a fun story, and I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get a chance to finish it. I started a new job, and I ended up losing the free time I had with my previous job, so I couldn't get back to finishing Savage Island. And then I started changing Darren and Sam's looks, and I couldn't finish it. It was still a fun photo story to make. I got to use my 21st Toys Little Bird. I got to use my parachutes and even a base camp setup. I hope you at least enjoyed it. I'm going to start posting my photo stories in their entirety instead of breaking them up. A lot of you guys had said that you liked it better that way, so I'll make sure I do that in the future. I filmed a couple of new photo stories, and I can't wait to get to them.
And now some questions and answers. Elite Action Joe Studios asks, where do you get the inspiration for your team members' names?
I got my names for my action figures. Some are inspired by family and friends. Con and Lee, my middle name is Con, and my wife's middle name is Lee. And so I named them after them. Con is sort of my mini-me, or inspired by me. Darren and Sam's names. Darren's name was originally Duncan, but I changed it to Darren because of this coffee cup I found at a small little store. Samantha was probably from some TV show, if I recall right.
How many team members do you currently have?
I currently have about 35 adventure team members. I'm still trying to figure out and work out the different subunits. So far I have the veteran adventurers, and then red team, which is Con, Lee, Darren, and Sam. And then I have a special operations unit that also is Brass Eagle. And then another unit I'm working on. And then also Operations Command.
What is your favorite female figure style?
My favorite action figures are actually the Pop Toys and the very cool bodies that I did a review on for the female action figures. Well, that's all I have for you for this week. Next week, we'll be doing the Mystery in the Jungle. That's a photo story I did a little bit after Savage Island. Just one I threw together. Hope you enjoy that one. Tell me, should I name the narrator this one here?
Hi, should Matt name me?
Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. Drop a comment. You could ask questions about my adventure team. If you have an adventure team and want to collaborate with my adventure team in a story, just go ahead and drop a comment and we'll work something out. And until next week, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.